Today, I'll show you how to use quick text in Salesforce, an incredibly efficient tool that can save you time and enhance your productivity. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to streamline your communication processes, quick text can be a game changer for your daily tasks. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this feature. To begin with, you'll first need to access quick text in Salesforce. This handy feature allows you to create and manage pre-written messages that can be quickly inserted into emails, chats, and other communication avenues. It's a fantastic way to maintain consistency in your messaging while reducing the time you spend typing out repetitive information. Once you're in Salesforce, you'll want to locate the quick text option. This is often found in the app launcher or the utility bar, depending on how your interface is set up. Clicking on quick text will open up a new window where you can manage your stored messages. It's all about making your communication more efficient and less cumbersome. After you've clicked on quick text, your next step is to create a new entry. To do this, you'll need to click the New button, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of the window. This action will open up a form where you can input the details of your quick text message. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure you have all your frequently used messages at your fingertips. Now, let's move on to filling out the details. This is where you can customize your quick text to suit your specific needs. You'll want to give your message a clear and descriptive name so that it's easy to identify later. Then, type out the content of your message. Remember, the aim is to create text that you frequently use, such as greetings, responses to common inquiries, or any other standard communication you find yourself repeating. This will make it easier for you to communicate quickly without having to type the same messages repeatedly. Once you've filled out all the necessary details and you're satisfied with your quick text entry, it's time to save it. Simply click the Save button, and your new quick text message will be stored and ready for use. Saving it means that it's now accessible anytime you need it, providing you with a library of messages that can be inserted with just a few clicks. Before wrapping up, here are a few tips to optimize your use of quick text. It's a good idea to periodically review and update your quick text messages to ensure they remain relevant and accurate. Also, consider categorizing or tagging your messages if you have a large collection. This makes it easier to find the right message quickly. And don't forget, quick text is not only for emails, you can also use it in chat conversations, tasks, and more. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to use quick text in Salesforce. By leveraging this tool, you'll be able to streamline your communications, save valuable time, and maintain consistency across all your messaging platforms. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of Salesforce.